In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speed in ElevenLabs. This is a simple process, but one that can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived and consumed. Let's walk through the steps together. First up, to start this journey, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whichever one you usually use is perfectly fine, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Once you've got your browser open, direct yourself to the website of ElevenLabs. This is your primary platform for the various modifications we're going to explore today. Once you're on the website, it's time to log into your account. If you've been here before and your credentials are all set, this step will be a breeze. Simply key in your login information and you'll be granted access to your account. For those who are new, you may have to set up an account first, but that's usually a straightforward process with on-screen prompts to guide you through. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention to the settings sidebar, which you'll find conveniently located on the right side of your screen. This is essentially your control center, where you can adjust various elements to suit your needs. Familiarize yourself with this area, as it holds a lot of the power in customizing your experience with ElevenLabs. Within the settings, you'll want to find the section labeled Speed. This is going to be your primary tool for adjusting the pace of your output. You'll see a slider here, which is your mechanism for controlling the speed fluctuating from slow to fast. Take a moment here to experiment with this slider. Move it left for a slower pace, or right if you wish to speed things up. This feature allows you to find the perfect tempo that matches the mood or urgency of the content you're working with. After you've made your adjustments with the slider, go ahead and click on Generate Speed. This will allow you to preview how the new speed settings affect your content. It's an invaluable chance to listen and compare, ensuring the final output aligns with your expectations. If you're satisfied with how everything sounds, the next step involves either downloading or sharing your output. You should see options to do just that. These are usually just a click of a button away, making it incredibly straightforward to distribute your adjusted content where it needs to go, be it for personal use or sharing with others. And there you have it. These steps will guide you through changing speed in ElevenLabs, allowing you to tailor your content precisely to your liking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.